Let's make another cup. I grabbed the inside chamber of a cup, some thick glitter glue, and some latte glitter from PDB. Grabbed some binding potion from Adhesive Apothecary, and I covered that with a layer of Liquid Art Elite from Chaos Resin. Once that cured, I added a wedding dress UV DTF wrap from my shop. Next, I'm going to grab the 2 chambers of the cup and put those together using some DAP Ultra Clear. Once that dries, I'm going to go in with a coat of resin to seal that off a little bit. Then I painted the top part a white color and the bottom part a blush color. Grab some more resin and some pure pigment from PDB. Once that cured for a good 24 hours, I added some floral elements to the top and bottom of the color blocking to kind of frame out that peekaboo section. The carrier sheet can be super clingy, so the longer you can let that resin cure, the better. So now I'm gonna go in with some suspended levitation solution inside the cup. I'm also going to make a mixture of some moonstone pieces, diamond, hortensia, and latte glitter, and adding that to the cup. Then I added some resin and glitter to fill the bottom part of that cup, and then I went in with one final layer of epoxy to wrap it up. Then it was done.